After Aachen, nothing's gonna be the same. But we finally got a foothold into Germany. The gateway to the Rhine is open and there's no turning back. For any of us.
Your orders were to take the hotel, not evacuate civilians. Who decided this was a rescue op?
We thought there was time, sir.
Last time I checked, Turner was in charge, not you. Is he making the calls now?
No, sir. It was my call. It's on me.
It's on both of us.
Yeah, well, right now, the last thing I should be worried about is if two of my best men can follow orders when we're on the verge of the biggest operation of the entire war. Let me remind you, this is the spearhead of our final drive to the Rhine. Got a whole damn forest to clear so the convoy can get through. So from this point on, I'll accept nothing less than your best. Now get your insubordinate asses ready to move out.
It's been 3 weeks. We're in the Hurtgen Forest now, clearing it so the convoy can get to the Rhine. I'm not proud to admit it's taken me this long to open your letter.
If it's over, we're here for you, pal.
I tried to warn you.
College. Let the man speak.
She's pregnant.
Whoa! Hey, that's huge.
All right. Daniels is gonna be a daddy.
Yeah.
She was trying to let me know, but I wasn't ready to hear it.
All right. I could use another cup of joe. Come on, you mooks, let's give him some space.
But I don't want coffee.
Sure you do.
I'm sorry I waited to tell you about the baby. I tried to the day you were shipping out. The day you took my picture.
Everyone gather around.
Where's Daniels?
Davis is talking. Come on.
On my way.
The Hurtgen is dark and nearly impenetrable. Our mission is to take Hill 493. Whoever holds the hill dominates the valley. Now, for lesser men, this task might seem insurmountable. But our division boasts a proud history of firsts. In World War I, we were first to hold off a German attack. First to launch a counteroffensive. First across the Rhine. Nothing has ever stopped us, and nothing ever will. Lieutenant, tell them what we're all about.
No mission too difficult, no sacrifice too great. Duty first.
I can't hear you.
No mission too difficult, no sacrifice too great. Duty first.
That's right. Now get ready to move out.
Duty first. Back to the old meat grinder.
Amen, brother. We move out in 5.
Hey, Daniels, can you do me a favor and bring some chow over to Willis? He's watching the perimeter.
You got it.
Much appreciated. He's overlooking the valley.
Glass of wine,
Morning, soldier.
Morning. Compliments of the chef.
Only the finest, eh? Thanks, buddy.
How's it looking?
See for yourself.
Those guns aren't letting up.
It's been non-stop. I heard you're hitting them today.
That's the plan.
Good luck out there.
Thanks.
First platoon, we are moving.
All right. Our objective is to eliminate the hilltop artillery so we can hold the forest. First stage is linking up with 2nd platoon at the river. Then we move out.
What kind of resistance are we looking at?
The heavy kind. Bridge has been changing hands all day.
We're gonna help him secure it.
Here she is. Davis assembled the biggest damned armored convoy ever.
If that don't put the fear of God in them krauts, nothing will.
Still a long drive to the Rhine.
That's why we need to hammer those guns and keep them alive.
Hey, watch your asses. You're in the death factory.
Hey, Zus.
the cold make the old wound act up? Because my nana, she broke her hip every winter.
Do I look like your nana?
Now that you mention it,
Kiss my frozen ass.
I'd rather kiss my nanas.
That's a pretty picture.
Everyone on me! Marks, how you guys holding up?
Sons of bitches keep hitting us. Next wave could be any minute.
All right, first platoon, let's help these boys out.
Push up! Retake the front line!
Set up perimeter defenses.
All right, grab some mines and get those MGs ready.
Barclay, Cooper, advance to the bridge and signal when you see movement.
We need to strengthen those defenses. Place those mines.
Sir, I thought we were gonna hit the artillery at Hill 493.
Can't leave our lines exposed. We'll advance to the assembly point once the bridge is secure.
Judging by these craters, it ain't gonna be easy.
Easy's not why we're here, Private.
See these Kraut dragon's teeth? No way our armor's getting through.
Yeah, I think that's the idea.
Kraut's coming through the fog!
Get back to cover. Defense positions, hold the line.
Firing positions!
Prepare to engage! Engage!
Fire!
Let's go, let's go!
Reloading! Incoming!
Get to cover!
Smoke screen!
Get ready! Enemies concealing their movement.
They're coming!
Fire!
Advancing!
That's that troop! Keep firing! More coming in!
Quickly now!
Combat position! Western bridgehead! Pull it back! I can't move! Help me! Hang in there, buddy! Get me to cover! I'm making a break! Now! Hang in there, buddy!
You saved my life out there. I owe you. Let's go. Let's go.
Rifles ready!
Reloading! In the fog! I got it! Fritz is on the move! Right side! Enemy armor! Panzer inbound! Panzer! Check for mines, grenades, whatever you can find! Yes, sir! Open fire! Sergeant, give me the position! Found a German rocket launcher! Good! Now hit that Panzer! Nice shot, Daniel! Get more fire on that thing! Great job, Daniels! It's almost dead! Toss it!
crowd firepower! Panzer's down!
They're falling back! They're retreating! Daniels, get over here! Good work, Daniels. First platoon, rally on me.
We're coming, sir!
Everyone on me! We're gonna split into 2 teams. Pearson, you'll head north over the bridge to reach the hill. I'll follow the river with a squad to guard your advance. Assembly point will be the base of Hill 493.
See you soon.
Yeah, you be careful up there.
Yeah, you too.
Hope splitting up was the right move.
If we let the Krauts cross this river, they could endanger the whole mission. That's why we're guarding Pearson's flank.
How far to the assembly point, sir?
We'll get to the base of Hill 493 soon. Just need to follow the river. Stay low. We have to take them down, but we're outgunned. Gotta poke their flanks. Don't let them see you. Patrol ahead. All right, Daniels. On your signal.
Contact 11 o'clock! Throw in the grenade! Infantry in the open! Make track! Come on! German infantry! He's leaving! Fire! Ammo when you're ready, Private! Hello! Stretches on the move! Getting away!
We got them on the run! They're falling back! Keep on them! They're trying to maneuver!
Rear guard, keep up!
Fritz is on the move!
Germans in the open! He's down in front of us! Germans! Bullseye!
Advancing from the east! It's down!
Oh, shit!
Shit! It's a trap! We've been spotted! Come on! Artillery!
Keep moving!
Artillery's down to 0!
Enemy troops!
Get up, Red. I know you better than anyone, so I know you still got fight in you. You can't give up. Not now, not ever.
Paul?
Krauts could be here any second, so show me what you're made of and get on your feet.
I'm afraid I won't make it.
You got to, Red. Hazel needs you, and so does your child. Now get up.
I will.
Of course you will, because you don't know the meaning of quit. I got faith in you, baby brother.
Paul. Paul!
Meet me at home, baby brother.
Briggs! Oh, God.